Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nofri Wahyudi. I want to explain about one of the tool in the workshop, namely the multimeter. A multimeter is an electric measuring device that is often known as a voltmeter, which can measure voltmeter, resistance ohmmeter, and current ammeter. Multimeter also have two categories, that is multimeter analog and multimeter digital. In order for the multimeter to be used properly, we have to do a calibration. And to use a multimeter, we need to conducting cable. And the cable used are usually red and black. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.